Hey everybody, this is going to be an episode. Hi everyone, this is the Thrifty Thriving Crafter. If you are a parent wanting to do something fun with your child, or if you're a child wanting to make something for your parent, or vice versa, or teacher, great crafting ideas that you can find at the dollar store for cheap, anything between $5 and $10. Right now, I have my own little glue gun. I've had that for maybe about 10 years. It's still good. It is probably between $5 and $10 from Walmart. That's where I got it. I'm pretty sure you can find it for cheaper as well. And the rest of the materials I bought from the dollar store. Don't mind my cat, Madam Mim. Pack of glue, everything $1. Everything in this area right here, which we're not going to use everything, but most of the stuff is going to be less than $10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's if we use everything here. Glue packets you can get for $1 as well at the dollar store, but I've already had them. So in the budget today was only $10, and I'm trying to make a really cool idea for my mom. Hey everybody, this is the Thrifty Thriving Crafter, and I'm here today to make a Valentine's Day wreath. So if any of you are interested in doing something very cheap, very thrifty, getting your crafting abilities going, you're in the right video. If you're a child that's looking for something really easy to do, something that you can make from the heart, always counts better. You can make this for your parent, your teacher. Your teacher can do this inside of school. Parents can be doing this with their kids. Something pretty fun that's really cheap and easy to do. So all of these items here, I went to the local dollar store and I purchased, and we are going to be using. The glue gun is something I always use. You can get that at Walmart for probably about $5. The glue, I already had this, but the glue I actually bought at the dollar store. But everything else here was bought for $1. I have about $10 here. So $10 or less. We're not going to use everything probably, but we can use it for a different wreath in the future. But I just wanted to show you guys how to get this going and get this put together. So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to cut. So we are going to cut these, make it a lot easier to use. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to cut this, and we're going to use it on our wreath. It will be pretty cinchy once we do this. So you see, comes off like a loop. Very simple, very easy. And look at how much it can cover. And it comes untwined. And look at this one's even longer. Awesome. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take this all apart. That's the first step you're going to want to do is unravel one, and we'll go from there. So this took a little bit of time, but I unraveled the two little purple balls. which made this really, 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 really big. And they're nice and soft and fluffy. That's one reason why I picked this stuff too. And I unraveled the two long bath sponges. And what we're going to do next is you can do a few things. You can tie it on here. You can wrap it around. Some people cut them and they cut them into little bits and tie them so that they're like sticking up. Not really positive I want to do that. I kind of really want to make this really fluffy. But I can do that as well. So maybe I'll try that out and see how I like it. I've got a couple options going on here. And we'll tune back in. So next what I did is I took one of the strands that I unraveled and I cut it into 4 pieces. So there's 4 right here. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to tie it onto the wreath. And like so. I'm going to tie it like this. So I'm going to go all over the wreath and tie a whole bunch of these. You can do 2 knots if you want. I just did 1 knot. You really don't need to do 2 knots, but if you want to, just to be on the safe side, that's fine. I'm going to go all the way around the wreath with all these different colors. But first, I'm going to cut them all up into 4s like I just did. So one of these tubes, you can get 4 pieces out of. So what I did was I pretty much did about 6 inches for each. Between 5 and 6 inches, I would say. So get 4 out of each, cut them all up, and get ready to tie them all on. No glue needed. And that will be your first start, and then I'll check back with you later. So now I have all of this tied on here. And right now, this wreath would be $5. The wreath costs $1, and the different colors, which is the light purple, the pink, and the white, very fluffy, very soft. These are the loofahs I got from the dollar store. So there are 4 of them. So this right now, this is a $5 wreath. But I kind of want to add more to it just because I'm that kind of person. This was $1 as well. I'm going to end up putting this in the center. And then I'm going to use this and tie this on. And I will hot glue it on. And then I'm going to take these little balls that are on a stick. And I'm going to pull them off. And I'm going to place them all over the wreath. Yeah, I'm not sure if I want to use the red yet or not. We'll find out at the end. And I'm also going to take this and hot glue this on here too. Probably going to put it like this right on the center. And I will check back with you guys. So now depending, this could be your finished product. And everything on here was $9. And it's very fluffy, very soft. It hangs nicely. Everything I hot glue gunned. I just used the hot glue gun on this. Everything has been hot glue gun. So it's all on there. Now, if you want to, we can add on lights. Depending on if it looks good or not, I might take the lights off. We will see. But I got these really cool lights from the dollar store. I apologize. This isn't, this is $8. $8 total right here because I didn't use these. I didn't want to put the red on there. I don't think the red's going to look good. I think pink's fine. But these, they're red and they light up, so we'll see what happens. I don't want to put too much red in there. But these are from the dollar store and they're really nice. I actually already put AA batteries in here. And see? So we're going to see how this looks and I'm going to put it on there really quick and see if it looks nice. So finished product without light. And finished product with light, $9.